Hello everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing how I prepared this delicious yummy looking rice. This video was requested by my friend. You guys, you know this is Black History Month, and she wants to learn how to make jollof rice because that is what she wants to present as one of the African dish. So thank you guys for watching my video. I would really appreciate if you like, subscribe and share my videos. Now I have the ingredients that I'm going to be using. I have my rice, I have the onion, I have scotch bonnet pepper, and goat's meat broth, and that is the rice. I hope you are seeing it closely, and the onion, the goat's meat broth. I'm using a tomato paste. That is all I need for making this jollof rice. Tomato paste is all you need, and it comes out very well. So I'm going to be washing my rice 3 times. This is the first one and the second time because I want to reduce all the starch as much as I can so that they will not be sticky. And this is the third time that I'm washing it. You can wash it as much as you can, and I will leave it in the hot water while I go ahead to prepare my stew. So that is my vegetable oil. I always like to season my oil. So that is a stock cube, chicken cube, melting in the oil. Make sure it's completely melted. And I'm going to be adding my Himalayan salt, and I'm going to be adding my turmeric, and I added my ginger, and that is the onion. Fry your onion in a low heat, and that is the tomato paste that I'm going to be using. I have to fry it very well to remove the acid taste in it. So make sure you fry it very well. And when it is fried, you will know because the color will change. So this is what I'm talking about. It has fried and is cooked. You can tell that the color has changed and the oil itself has changed. So once it is cooked, I just added my my garlic powder. All this is optional. It depends on what you like to add. So this is the blended onion and the scotch bonnet pepper that I blended. I just added it in the sauce. Make sure it is cooked as well. Allow it to cook for about 10 minutes, and I'm adding the rice that was soaked in the hot water. By the way, I'm using the Basmati rice because that is the rice she wants to use. You can use any rice of your choice, but she feels Basmati is difficult to cook. You really have to know how to cook it so that it will come out well. Jollof rice is one of the easiest African dish to prepare. It's as easy as ABC. So I'm adding the goat meat stock. I like to use goat meat stock because it takes the rice to another level. You can use any stock of your choice. You can use chicken, turkey, beef, depends on your preference. I like to use goat meat stock. At this point, I'm going to reduce the heat and cover my food with parchment paper. Some do cover with foil, but this is what I use to cover my food. And I will allow it to cook for 15 minutes on a low heat. And this is after 15 minutes. It is ready, but I'm going to give it extra 5 minutes so that it can simmer down. At this point, I'm going to be adding my bay leaf. That bay leaf takes it to another higher level, and I'm going to sprinkle diced onion in it. Like I said, I just added the bay leaf. One is enough because of the quantity of the rice, and I added diced white onion. You can use any onion of your choice. You mix it very well and cover it up, and boom, your rice is ready. When I mean ready, it is ready, but you have to make sure that it tastes well. Add salt or your chicken bouillon, just season it to your own taste. So thank you all for watching my video. The rice is ready. It was delicious, and I hope, my friend, you will be able to present this in your African month as one of the African dish. Okay, thank you every one of you. I really do appreciate, and I will see you all in my next video. You can garnish it with any veggie of your choice, and that is kale that is used to garnish the food. And use any meat of your choice, your chicken, turkey, fish, and name it. All right, guys. Bye.